Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to find the limits at infinity for rational functions. What do I mean by rational function? If I give you a function of the form 3x squared is 9x 7 divided by say 4x squared is 10. Such a function is called a rational function, where two functions are divided. And the question is to find the limit x approaching infinity for this function. What you should do is find the degree of the top, let's call it m, and find the degree of the bottom, let's call it n. Find the leading coefficient of the top and find the leading coefficient of the bottom. Now what's the degree of the top? It's 2. What is the leading coefficient? 3. Leading coefficient is the number before x with the highest power. N is also 2 and an is 4. That's the leading coefficient of the bottom. When you have all this, you'll need a set of rules, which are these. Now you have to check which one of the three do you belong to. So if you look at m and n, they both are equal to each other. So you belong to the third one. Means m equals to n. The answer is the ratio of the leading coefficients of f and g. What does that mean? The answer to this problem is am divided an, which is 3 divided by 4. Just like that, you get the answer. So do this in these steps. Find m, find n, find am, find an, and then use the list of formulas to get the answer. Right, let's do one more. I give you limit x approaching infinity. Even if it's negative infinity, the rule applies. Okay, so it's the same thing. I give you something like this: 4x cubed and x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. Question is to find the answer to this. Right, so first you find m, which is the degree of the top, and degree of the bottom. Am and am. M is 3 and am is 4 from the top. N is 1. If there is nothing, there is a 1 here. And an is 6. So now take the relationship between m and n. M is bigger than n, right? Clearly. What do? You go to your rules. You belong to the first one. The answer is infinity. Just like that. Let's do one more with 1, but the answer should be 0. I shouldn't tell you the answer is 0, but let's see. Limit x approaching infinity. Let's do negative infinity. X squared plus 3 divided by x cubed. 10. Find m, find n, find am, find an. M here is 2, AM is 1. If there's nothing, there's a 1 there. Henry and AN is 1. What is the relationship between M and N? M is less than N. You check, where do you belong? You belong to the second one, so the answer is automatically 0. So limit at infinities can be found for rational function using these two steps and looking at the formula. Any questions, you can type in below. With this, you should be able to do most of the problems.